reaching out to touch a stranger, electric arms.